The word budget has a pretty bad reputation. A lot of times people hear that word budget and they think of something that's restrictive, or it tells them that they're not allowed to spend any money or have any fun. Well, I've got good news for you. YNAB is a different way of budgeting. So please, just for a little bit, let go of any old ideas or feelings you might have about that word budget. Put simply, your budget is your life plan. It's a system for making sure that your money is in line with your values and your priorities. You work really hard for your money. You deserve to spend it on the things that are most important to you, your priorities. Your budgets need to help you answer the questions of, can I afford this and should I? And not just one time, but many, many times throughout the day. Just pause for a moment and think about, when was the last time you bought something? Probably wasn't that long ago, was it? Was it today? You are always spending and earning, so you're faced with these questions constantly. Have you ever done your taxes at the end of the year and then wondered, where did all that money go? A budget gives you clarity about what your money has already been spent on, and more importantly, gives you control over where your next dollars will go. And since I'm a big planner, my favorite part is that my budget allows me to examine all of my financial decisions at once, in one place, removing all that uncertainty. Without a budget, you have no way of prioritizing your spending. You have no idea where your money is going, and when you spend money, you don't know how it's going to affect the rest of your life. With a budget, you can figure out what you really want before you spend your money. If you're anything like me, you've bought something and then looked back and said, why on earth did I buy this? I didn't need this. I barely even wanted it. Especially because now I can't buy that thing that I really wanted. Here I am again. When you're spending money on things that matter to you, it's comfortable. It's satisfying. It's wonderfully uneventful. No stress, no drama. A budget is a way to ensure that you get the things that you really want. So give it a fresh look, because you really do need a budget.